Welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we are going to make a bouncy ball. And the best formula that I have found, and the most easy, requires borax and Elmer's glitter glue. I've tried 3 or 4 different methods with the kids, and by far this simple method produces the best bouncy balls. So first we're just going to scoop in about a tablespoon or 2 of borax into some warm water. That should be enough. And the next step, quite simply, is pour in enough glitter glue to make the size of ball you want. I'm going to do a couple tablespoons. I guess that should be enough. And all you have to do is knead it within the borax solution. It creates polymers. I don't know. Some sciencey stuff. It does work though. Just keep kneading it and you'll feel it get tougher and tougher. After you knead it in the solution, then you're just going to take it out and roll it into a ball. Kind of like Play-Doh or silly putty. And it makes the most bouncy of the bouncy balls. I've seen different methods with like cornstarch, baking soda, yeast. They sort of work, but they don't work nearly as much as just plain borax and Elmer's glitter glue. And you have the added benefit that these look way better than the others. The others you have to use some food coloring, and that gets messy. This, not so much. So let's give that a try. So we're just going to first let's absorb some of this spillover. You'll feel it. It gets more and more firm. Kind of like kneading some dough. Knead. I'm going to dry it out a little. I think we're getting close. But yeah, you want to get some of the wetness off. Get a little more. Dry my hands. There we go. Now we're going to treat it like Play-Doh, silly putty. And it will get, as it dries, it'll get harder and harder. Here's the thing. It's not going to be like your super bouncy ball that you get from the vending machine, because it will flatten over time and then it gets harder and it'll crumble if you try to reshape it. But for a little ball, it definitely is a pretty good bouncy ball. So there you go. Some Elmer's glitter glue, some borax, and some water. And you get a bouncy ball. It's a fun little project to try with your kids. They'll be amazed. at least for a little while. You know, if your kids are like mine, they get bored after a while. Anything new. So, anyway, I thought I'd try it and share it with you. Thank you guys for stopping by. As always, my friends, God bless you. And thanks for stopping by and spending time with me. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bouncy Balls.